Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add or how you can use a picture as your header or footer. So I'm going to show you how you can add a picture as your header or as your footer. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up to right here, right? So to add a footer or to open up your footer, there's two ways you can do that. The first way or the quickest way to do that, just come to the top right here and then just double click your document, right? Once you double click, your footer should be, your header should be opening up, and then your footer, if you scroll down, your footer is also open up here. So that's the quickest way to do that. But then if you're having trouble opening it up, double clicking, let me just cross it off. So if you're having trouble double clicking here, you can click on insert, and then now this should be opening up. So you want to insert a header or footer, come here to your header, and then now since you want to use an image, click on edit header. Right now your header has been opening up, and then your footer as well. So now make sure you are on there, make sure you click into your header, you are in your header. Now you want to use an image, so this design tab for your header and footer should be opening up. So if you are on your home tab, right, make sure you are back here in your design tab. You open up your design tab, and then now click on picture. Right, you want to insert the picture, click on picture right there, and then this tab should be opening up, so you can choose the picture in your document, on your computer that you want to use. So I'm just going to browse through my computer and try to find a picture that we can use. So let's say I have some picture on here. I just say Kandowa media. I think I have some footer. This is the footer, and then this is a header. So to add a header, just click on the picture that you want to choose to use, and then click on insert. Right now, as you can see, you have inserted the picture right there. So now you can format it to make sure it's appropriate or it's looking good. So you can text wrap it, you can make sure you put it in front or behind. I always prefer putting it behind the text, right? And then you can be able to move it. As you can see, I'm clicking on it and then I'm moving it, styling it right there. You can style it whichever way, and then I'm also enlarging it, right? So you can style it whichever way you want to style it, and then you can also, if you come to here, you can extend the header, right? The header from the top, you can maybe increase this to 7, right? So you can style it right there. You can style it whichever way you want to style it until it fit, but that's how you can add a picture as your footer, right? So to add the header, you can do the same thing, the footer. To add the footer, you can do the same way. So just come here, make sure you are on your footer, right, and then click on image. So click on image, and then this should open up this tab, and then now browse through your computer. I want to use this image as my footer, so now click on that image and then insert it. So now you have it right there. So for you to be able to move it, make sure you text wrap, come to format and then text wrap, and then put it behind, and then now you should be able to move it around and then format it however way you want to format it as well, right? We have it right there, right? So you can use that. Now once you are done with everything, you can just come to design and then cross it off, and then now as you can see, this is your header, and then this is your footer. So you added your image right there, right? So yeah, that's how you add a picture to your footer or your header, right? So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.